Hi guys, it's me and we have a special guest here and her name is Adria. So today we're going to be making some different types of slime. So what you will need is a container, any type of container. I'm going to be using this one. She also has a container. Beads, obviously if you don't want to and you can't find any, it's like this.
You don't really have to use some. You can use any.
Okay, then I'm going to be using some glitter. I have 2 glitter packs. And then we will need some clear glue, some Elmer's glue, stop glow, and then I'm going to be using some food
coloring.
Okay. So let's get started. So first we're going to be making clear slime. It's going to be glittery. So just pour in the desired amount of glue you would like.
That's enough.
This is how much we're going to be putting in. I don't know if you guys can really see that or not, but yeah. So next we're going to be putting in some food dye.
You said that we're going to be making it glittery.
Yeah, but first you put food dye in.
Okay.
So I'm going to be making some purple slime.
I don't think there's purple.
No, there's no purple, but like
blue.
you can mix them.
Yeah, with purple and blue. I mean red and blue.
This is one of the most important things I forgot. I forgot something to mix with. Can you go get me a spoon, please?
Or should I get
A spoon, please.
Okay.
Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm going to be using some red and blue food dye. I'm just going to mix them. Don't look.
I'm back again.
Okay. Doesn't look like it's fully mixed, so. Just gonna drop a few drops. Maybe 1 drop.
No, 2. You need 2.
No, that's already loads. Wait, I'll add 2.
No, you actually need
I'll add
2.
2.
And then if you
For
want to
the
make
color.
a purple, just
For an
first
extra color.
add like
Okay, and
1
then
drop of blue. And see how
no,
it goes.
because blue is okay. So I'm just gonna add some blue.
1 drop. And
No.
Okay.
I'm just going to add some. I added 3 drops of blue just so it's purple. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that.
Let's see.
Doesn't matter if it's not really purple because like anyways it's gonna be clear slime. Think I need to add more food dye.
It looks blue, so I think so we need more red.
More.
No, not this.
Yeah, it
looks
blue, so we're just gonna add some red. I can't really tell actually.
It is actually blue.
I'm just gonna add a couple of drops. Well, that wasn't a couple of drops, but
that was a whole big square.
So
there you go. It's perfect.
yeah, it's like it might be blue. I don't know.
But it's still
I don't think it really mixes, so
it's
if
still
it's
good.
blue, I don't really care. Okay, so once you've got your desired color or anything, I'm just gonna add. Sorry, I'm just gonna add some sparkles. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some purple glitter. Okay, so you wanna open it? Let me just open it for you.
Okay.
Over the bowl. I'm scared that it will go everywhere. Wow, this is hard. Well, this is hard. Okay. I'm scared.
Should I try?
It's not opening.
I'll be back in a minute.
Can you get this open? Wow, that's why. It's a twisty. Whatever. Wait, let me just try. Oh, you're closing it, I think.
Oh. I think it's where you can twist.
I don't know, guys. This is really hard to open. Oh, I already see some glitter on my hand.
Maybe it's opening. Look at
I don't. Can I have some help, please? Can I have some help, please?
Why?
I can't open the glitter.
Huh?
I can't open the glitter.
Don't do it in my bowl.
I don't know how it opens. It's really hard.
Okay.
This glitter is hard.
We
Don't get glitter in your mouth.
We don't know if we have to twist it or pull it.
You open.
Finally.
Okay, so we're just gonna add some glitter. Just adding some glitter. I think that's enough. More. I need more. You can never have too much glitter. Okay, enough. Okay, so we've got some glitter in there. Now we're just gonna mix it up.
Mix and mix. That looks cute.
It looks really good.
It looks galaxy.
It looks nice.
It looks like galaxy.
Should we add some glue to make it like galaxy-like?
Okay.
I'm just gonna add some glue, guys.
Help.
Wow, my teeth are strong. It broke. I think it broke. Nope, it didn't. Oh, that's how you open it. Okay, so we're just
That's
gonna add
enough,
some
that's
glue.
enough.
I want some more.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, so we got some glue in. Okay.
Now mix.
Now we're just gonna mix it. Just mixing. Just gonna mix it. It looks so cool, guys. I wish I could show you, but like I don't think you're gonna see. One quick question: can you put the lights on? Maybe. So it would look better. Maybe now you can see it better. But you'll see when it comes out. So next, I'm just gonna add some beads. I don't know why, but there's gonna be so many sparkles in this slime.
I think so. This one.
Should we add that one? Okay.
Yeah.
Just open it. Wait over the bowl because these come out. These come out. Yeah, that's how it came out. So we're just gonna add a little bit of these beads. Okay, I'm done with these beads. These are really small beads. Okay, we can mix it up.
That's mixed.
Yeah, that's mixed. Okay, so next we're gonna add some
Stuff
flow. And this is no, try not to get too much in it though. Look, I'll help you because it goes okay. So what we're gonna pour in some stuff flow now. So enough. Okay, so it's mixing up, guys. It doesn't look clear anymore. It doesn't look like it's clear.
I think we need some more stuff flow.
We don't want to overflow it, so
Yeah.
overpower it.
Let me feel.
We don't feel it yet because like it's still sticking.
It's just like
We need some more stuff.
I
But
told you.
no, but you have to mix it thoroughly first. It's like literally like a galaxy, guys.
Mhm.
It looks like a galaxy.
I have some. It's ready. You help me.
But this is more. I told you I would only make a little bit. You overpowered it. She overflowed the bowl with star flowing. Now it's.
Oh, it's good.
No, it's yeah. Soon it won't even be stretchy.
Wait, pass.
Now you need to knead it. It's like, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. Oh, it's just really cool. It's not that stretchy because somebody overpowered it with Starflow.
It was an
And
accident.
it's quite wet. So that's why I told you I should do Starflow. So you can try and knead it. She's gonna knead it.
Yeah.
Right
Why she
now.
do the next one?
Okay. You can never have too many tissues lying around too. So
It's kind of sticky.
yeah, I know. Okay.
Wait, the beads. Foam beads. What about, should we get the foam beads?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, whilst I'm cleaning it out, I will just show you how far the sun has gone. It's obviously not that good, but it's really pretty. But it's not that good because Adria overpowered it with that. And Starflow.
Still, it looks good. But when you feel it, it looks weird.
Okay, so next up, we're going to be making some more clear slime.
This time, real clear slime, maybe.
Okay, so no. We're just pouring some slime in there. Glue in there, I mean, sorry. Okay, so
This is how it looks like.
okay,
Should we make
So-
more green?
we don't have green. Okay, so now we're just going to probably be making glitter slime. I want to be making glitter clear slime.
Okay.
Okay, so
When are we
this
gonna be
time,
using Elmo's glue?
we're going to use pink.
Okay, now it's
I wanna
definitely
use
not
pink.
stretchy. Can I add some more glue maybe?
Glue? No, it won't help.
Oh, okay. Should we add rainbow? Let's make this one rainbow. Should we make this one rainbow?
I just want to add.
Can I add some?
I'll make this one myself, okay?
Okay. The next one
So
will
we're
be
going to be
my
making
one.
quite a few slimes.
Can I make my own one next?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Depends. So now I'm going to be mixing the glitter into it. It's like, maybe you can see it better since it's pink, but I doubt it.
Very glittery.
It's, I feel like I need to add more glitter.
Oh my god. When you added in this one, like the beads, it looked like when you added some, it looked like you only added a little bit, but actually when you stretch it, there's like scissors there.
Like, it feels weird.
Yeah.
That's Rebecca's sign, my sister's sign. This is for Rebecca. There you go. This is for you.
Wait.
I promised her I would make her slime. I gotta keep my promise. Okay, so we're probably done with that. Okay, so next I'm just gonna be adding some stuff.
Oh yeah, this is the slime that we made when we started. When we didn't start the video yet.
Okay, so I'm just
Should I
mixing
give this to Rebecca?
You keep it, it's yours.
No, I don't want it.
But then you can add it to your other slime that you're gonna have.
I'm just gonna put it there. She can play
It
with it.
looks so pink.
Don't mix it
guys.
though,
Oh
okay?
gosh.
Oh my god.
It's so
Oh
pink.
my god!
It's so pink, but like, I didn't believe the glitter would make it so pink.
Oh my god! It looks like there's food coloring.
It looks like unicorn poop.
Maybe. Maybe not.
It's like,
Can I need it? Because I
wait.
need
I didn't add too much. So it's like, boom. Boom, guys. Soon I'm going to be adding my hands in there. Because she needed the other one. Okay.
Can I need this one? Because
We needed the last one.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm gonna make my. You're gonna help me putting the stuff.
Yeah, that's what. Do you want to make normal or clear? Normal
make it
fluffy
rainbow.
slime or clear? No, not rainbow.
I want to use the glitter as rainbow, please. Okay. Can I
Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely gifting this to my friend.
Why is this in purple?
Because from the other slime I didn't fully clean out the ball.
She won't notice that. Can I feel?
Wait. Gosh, guys. Wait, let me see how flaky. It's not that clear, but like, obviously I don't really mind.
Well,
I'm gonna make clear slime next, but you probably won't see it clear because like it has to set.
totally.
So the air bubble.
Is previous. It looks kind of gray, but it's not.
I'm putting it in this container right now.
Can I feel it?
Yes, you will. Feel it.
Good.
I'm gonna be making some more of this slime because this is like a really little.
There's some more.
You wanna take that? You wanna take some? You can have some.
Just taking it, but that's not look, it's stretchy. Okay. It is quite stretchy.
Okay, so it's like pink and purple. So it's like unicorn poop extra.
It's taking.
Okay.
So we're not wasting this.
Okay, there's some here.
Oh my god,
I'm just trying.
This is very sticky. I mean, it's weird.
This is weird.
Yep. Oh my god.
Here, you can have some more.
Whoops. I dropped it in.
I'm just trying not to waste it.
Okay.
Okay, sorry if this part is boring, guys, but like,
Yeah.
can I get another tissue, please?
Tissues are on the table.
Yeah, but I need a different one.
Okay. That's the last tissue.
Okay, so I need this to be extra clean because since we're making clear slime, it has
No,
to be
it's my
clear.
one next.
Oh, are you gonna be making the plain slime?
I'm gonna be making my own.
I know, but don't make it rainbow.
Why?
No, because it won't go out really well. Because,
But
like,
the colors look
yeah,
good.
you can use any food dye you
This
like.
one is good.
Can you clean out this bowl or get another bowl for me, please?
Can I mix these two?
Yeah, sure. Do it. Go for it.
I can't be bothered. Just
It's really cool, guys. It's just so
you just need to.
ASMR.
You just need to stretch it slowly.
You.
You just need to stretch it slowly.
It's like
But this one is kind of hard.
it's because you overpowered the sign.
No, only one. That was
No, not this one. This one's good.
This is the one, but it's stretchy. It came